Now we are at the chapter of services. Antonio will tell you all about the importance of measuring indoor air quality and what we at Daikin can do to help you measure it. Good luck, Antonio.
Thanks, Vitor, and welcome to my presentation. I will present to you the proposal from Daikin Service and Solution, our indoor environmental quality sensor, our indoor air quality assessment, and a case study from our team in Central Europe. As leader in the HVAC sector, we believe that Daikin can support you not only for the indoor comfort, but also for the indoor air quality. In order to achieve the optimum indoor air quality, we believe that it's important to have the proper ventilation system installed. But we also believe that a big effort is needed in order to change the perception of the importance of the indoor air quality in the building. For that reason, Daikin decided to support you in reaching the proper indoor air quality and maintaining it during the time. The first step of this journey is the capability to measure the indoor air quality into the building, both during a service investigation, but also during the daily usage of the building, whether they are offices, shops, or public spaces in general. It is very important to measure the indoor air quality and to understand the status of the building inside. For that reason, we decided to develop our own indoor air quality sensor, which I will show you right now. We call it IRsense Proplus. It is an indoor environmental quality sensor. Why environmental? This is because we measure air quality, we measure air comfort, and also electrosmog. This can be installed and connected via Wi-Fi or narrowband to its cloud platform. And it can be easily installed in the building on a flat surface or on a wall by the user. You can see in the screen the 15 readings and parameters that we measure with these sensors. You can easily access to the readings of the sensor via the Kaelum web platform, or also using the IRsense app, which is available in the smartphones. We also developed a video wall function, which will allow you to share the real-time readings of the sensor with the occupants of the building. It is also possible to download a periodical report, which will allow you a deeper investigation on the data reported by the sensor. Moreover, we decided to integrate the readings of the sensor to our existing monitoring platform. I'm referring to Daikin On-Site for chillers and air handling units, to Daikin Cloud Service for VAM and VRV. This will allow you an important comparison between the current operating conditions of your ventilation system and the real data coming from the sensor. And this brings us to the next level of our presentation. As a general strategy of Daikin, we decided to support you during the entire life cycle of the building, not only for the indoor comfort, but also with the indoor air quality. It means that we offer you a technical audit in order to understand the status of the indoor air quality in your building and define together with you the technical solution, thanks to our expertise, in order to recover the proper air quality level. We visit your building and together with you we identify the most critical location where to analyze the indoor air quality. We will install our sensors for a couple of weeks, and during this time we will collect the data of your building. At the end of this period, we will analyze the result of this analysis and we will reach our conclusion. Then we will meet you again, and together with you, we will set the proper strategy in order to rectify the proper value of the indoor air quality with the proper countermeasures. After implementation of the countermeasures, we will execute a follow-up measurement in order to verify that we achieve the expected value with further eventual fine-tuning of the system. In line with the indoor air quality assessment, I want to show you a case study from our team in Central Europe. They execute a campaign of measurement of the indoor air quality in a list of schools in Slovakia. They installed the sensor for a period of time and they analyzed the result. The result was quite surprising because the PM values were never particularly high. So we can conclude that the air quality was good, was not polluted. What was out of the recommended limit was the concentration of CO2 level. This is normally related with full occupation or over-occupation of the building, but also with poor ventilation. And a high concentration of CO2 can cause the so-called sick building syndrome, which can cause headache, or lack of attention, or other disease. So the countermeasure from them was to optimize the operation of the existing ventilation system when was available. Otherwise, they proposed the installation of better or new ventilation system in the building. In line with the indoor air quality assessment, they executed a follow-up measurement where you can see in the screen that the value of CO2 were almost back to acceptable value during the entire period of measurement, which is the good result we wanted to achieve. My conclusions are that Daikin aims to become your partner for indoor air quality, giving support during the entire life cycle of the units, not only as HVAC expert, but also as indoor air quality expert. As a service and solution, we represent the ideal combination of both elements. Thank you.
That's nicely done, Antonio. If you have any questions about his presentation, please put them on the comment box below. If you want to know more about our other solutions, please scroll down and click on the direct link below. Enjoy all the presentations.